Happy Wednesday! Back from Orlando. Flew in last weekend. I'm back at the shop, back at work. You know, as much fun as I enjoy traveling, I really do love my job. It's been great being back. A couple of bikes waiting on me, nothing too extreme. There's just something about getting paid to be around motorcycles all day long. I had a good ride though. The wreck repair, everything was great. The bike was smooth. Highway pegs are a must for long travel, although the weather could have been warmer for me. Either way, rider comfort is important. Rider comfort is important, and as riders ourselves, we think about our own comfort, but we don't always think about our passengers' comfort, although they will generally remind us that they're not comfortable. Today, I have an install to, well, help your passenger get comfortable, whoever it might be, wife, girlfriend, or, you know, regular friend, whoever it might. You know what? I'm not here to judge. Point is, Christmas is coming up. I've got a good gift idea for you, and as a matter of fact, Ciro is giving away a set of their adjustable passenger peg mounts. Whew, that's a mouthful. For those of you that don't know me, my name is John Maxwell, and I'm a highly trained unprofessional right here at Chattanooga Harley Davidson, and on this channel, I bring you guys to work with me. So, if you want to learn more about Harley Davidson, you should hit the subscribe button right now. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I posted on Instagram this beautiful new paint on the 2020 Road Glide Limited, and mentioned how I think it's a great addition to the lineup. A lot of people thought I was talking about my own lineup of motorcycles. I'm just not ready for it, but for Harley Davidson's lineup and what they have to offer, this thing is sharp. Take a look. Okay, I know, I'm getting off on a little bit of a tangent here, but I really like the billiard red and vivid black. Even if it's not for me, it's definitely for somebody. The whole point of the video, though, actually is the whole passenger comfort thing. So, let's unbox the adjustable passenger comfort peg mounts. In the box, we have full color instructions. We have mounts, bolts, washers, wavy washer things, and well, everything you need. Come on, it's a Ciro product. It's black, of course. Why? Because the Road Glide Limited that I chose has black trim all over it. And I just really wanted to showcase that fact, because boom, billiard red and vivid black. Wow. I should really let off the monsters. To be clear, that is only the peg mounts. The actual pegs do need to be purchased separately. And I chose these Ciro rail pegs for my setup. Well, the setup that's going on this bike that isn't actually mine, actually. It's the same ones I use on my own bike though, and a lot of you guys commented on how you like them. They're linked in the description along with the peg mounts themselves. We are doing a giveaway. They weren't clear on whether or not it was just the mount and the peg. Probably both. I'm gonna go with both. It just seems fair. I'll have more info on the giveaway after I finish installing this. You know the drill, we'll do one side right now, and it's actually pretty easy. It'll take you less than an hour, maybe some adjustment. It might be helpful if your passenger is around to do it. I'm just gonna wing it. I'll sit on the back, I'll check it out, I'll let you know what I think in just a minute. So, now on these newer models, the passenger peg and footboard alike, depending on which model you're working with, mounted on the top hole. They're actually adjustable if you didn't already know that. So I do need to drop it down one spot. Perfect. And then we can get going. Now nothing is all the way tight right now. Just a couple little bits so it holds itself. I always mount the peg in place so that I can hold the peg while I tighten this little mount. As you can see, a super easy install. Very quick, nice little addition there. Let's put this thing on the ground. We'll check a couple things. Wait, I almost forgot. You can twist this peg around, just loosen here, because it does not look good. That way it's flat for your passenger's foot sitting on it. That looks significantly better now. So as the rider sitting on the bike, it seems like it might be in the way, but the peg actually ends where I've mounted them in this adjustable way forward, like it is. That they actually end right at the floorboard, which makes for a good position. It's not in the way of just being stopped. Well, any more so than a floorboard already is. They're not as easy to deal with as the passenger pegs that come on like a Street Glide or Road Glide Special, but footboards are more comfortable for your passenger in the first place. They're just a little bit in the way for the rider. As for the passenger with the peg up, it's not in the way or intrusive in any way, you know, just sitting on it. I can't speak for actually getting on and off the bike, but it doesn't seem like it would be in the way. As for chilling in this passenger seat, it makes a slight difference. The pressure is a little bit more on my butt than my legs or thighs. You know, I think this might be the first time I've ever sat in the passenger seat on a motorcycle. Hopefully it's the last time too. Honestly, what I need most for comfort right this second is a cup holder, but I'm not really sure if just a couple of inches makes a difference. If you or your wife or whoever uses these, feel free to let me know down in the comments section if it makes a big difference or not. I could adjust them, of course, to be higher, more toward the center, and then I'd have even more lift on my leg, and that might be a different feeling or situation. I don't know. Either way, guys, this might be a good Christmas present for your lady. And if it's not a good present for your lady, well, at least Ciro is going to give you a present by giving a set away. It's just a regular giveaway that'll be announced next week. I'll tell you how to enter, but let's just pretend it's an early Christmas present, okay? How you enter is you like to post on Ciro's Facebook or Instagram page that features me holding the package, like this. Yes, that's the photo. Now, you like that picture, you follow Ciro on Facebook or Instagram, tag a friend in the comment section below the photo, and I understand some of you guys might not have social media. If you don't, you can still enter at sales@ciro3d.com. And yeah, that's how you win a set for yourself or for your passenger or whoever. As far as the review goes of the product, the powder coat looks good. I really like the whole blacked out look of the my GoPro turned off, of the new 2020s. You know, the Street Glide Specials, so they've been getting it for a while. I'm glad the Limiteds get it now too. So this product pairs perfect with that. It looks like it belongs there just fine. As far as functionality goes though, I think I'm gonna need you guys, the actual passengers, to let me know down in the comments, because for me the jury's kind of out. I'm not sure if that couple little inches is worth it or not. I guess it really depends on the height of your passenger, if they would need such a thing. And also, what about the 2020 Road Glide in Billiard Red and Vivid Black? Do you like it or no? Still need to do a review on this thing too. Huh. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big dirty thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't quite got your fix, there's a video right here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And I'll let you know about that giveaway too. I think I just said that. I'm going to cut that part out.